Hello. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to use SMS services from emails and surveys, the best marketing tool for your small business or nonprofit. Emails and surveys uses a pay-as-you-go model for SMS. It is just 3 cents per text. Emails and Surveys has a very robust SMS offering superior to many of the leading SMS providers. You can broadcast, pick up the reply, chat, start one-on-one conversation, use our SMS inbox, or send SMS polls to your customers, which is a great way to get more Google reviews. To get started, let's send an SMS broadcast. From the dashboard, go to SMS campaigns. Here you will have the ability to create and close campaigns. You will first be prompted to register a phone number. Each phone number will cost $2 a month. Phone numbers with an area code must go through 10 DLC registration, and you will need to provide your corporation, address, and declare your use cases to the carriers. If you do have or cannot provide this information, you can use a 1-800 number. Next, give your campaign a name. Select a group. And now you can draft your message. You can personalize the SMS with names and any value from my CRM. We have included a tiny URL service to shorten any websites you may enter. An SMS is defined as a message of 160 characters. If you go over, it will count as 2. We support SMS and MMS, and you can personalize the opt-out clause. We will auto-unsubscribe anyone who types stop, and they can start their service again by typing start. You can send the campaign now or schedule it in the future. You may have only one campaign open at a time with a unique group of contacts. If you try and send a second campaign and any contacts are in both groups, we will prompt you to close the first campaign so we can effectively pick up the reply. Once your campaign is sent, you will see a pie icon display, and you can click it to see your reports. Here we see some deliverability reports, if any links were clicked, who unsubscribed, any replies, and a full detail view. Great! Now let's go chat with our contacts. At Emails and Surveys, we'll provide a generic SMS inbox to chat with your replies. You can see the alerts we have received. Just click on the person and campaign. If you use the same telephone number for chat that you do for SMS broadcasts, it will prompt you to close the SMS campaigns. This means Emails and Surveys will stop listening for replies to the main broadcast. It usually takes 2 hours before everyone will reply. If you want to chat and send broadcasts at the same time, we recommend getting a separate phone number for SMS broadcasts and chat. Let's go to My CRM. You can also chat there with your contacts. Here you can start a Zoom conference or make a phone call. Let's just chat with one of our contacts. In this example, we will use the same number to chat as we do broadcast. SMS chat is a great way to connect with your customers and contacts. Now, let's take a look at SMS polls. SMS polls are a great way to get feedback about a customer experience. Try to keep them short and sweet. You can customize the greeting and final message. You can ask a multiple answer type or open text. Change the order. Or change the question based on an answer. Here we will prompt the user to write a Google review if they were really happy. Last, let's go take a look at how to manage your phone numbers. Go to My Profile, SMS, and you can release any phone numbers you do not want to use anymore. And that's it. If you found this tutorial beneficial, like it and give us feedback on how we did. And follow the Emails and Surveys channel for more tutorials on how to use our product suite.